a seductive bouquet. In petals soft, your curves unwind, a bloom of silk by fate designed. Like tulips sway, a velvet tease, your form whispers through the breeze. Your silhouette, a rose's line, each petal bold, yet intertwined. Lily's grace in tender bends, hidden messages it sends. A delicate dance, the orchid's thrill, hints of secrets, wild and still. Sunflower proud, a radiant flare, unveils a beauty, soft and rare. Cherry blossoms blush and sway, a fleeting kiss in dawn's first ray. In peony blush, a promise made, a tender bloom that will not fade. Each petal speaks, it's a silent song. In bouquets lush, where you belong. The language hidden, yet so clear. A floral tale as you draw near.